Hey you guys, this is my demonstration of how to draw a cylinder, tips and tricks of how to get that shape in your drawing. A lot of times when people are drawing these, they will start with just drawing that top part and then that bottom part and then move around like that. So when that happens, sometimes you get these bent sides right here. You might have too much of a pole right at that little bottom curve, and you might have inconsistent corners or maybe pointy corners sometimes. So kind of help you out with that, I'm going to start you with the same technique that we did with the cone, and I'm going to show you guys the importance of starting with that eye shape. That eye shape is really important because it helps you build symmetry and balance. So you need to analyze your cylinder and figure out how wide is that cylinder. And from that cylinder, you want to make the distance on each side as close as possible to be the same. And then you're going to pull down the sides. After you have built that structure of that basic perfect rectangle, I'm then going to have you come in and draw your ellipse. So that ellipse is going to sit right in there. And that ellipse needs to be symmetrical, top and bottom, side to side. So as you kind of go over those ellipses, you kind of perfect it. And that is how you draw a rectangle. So we draw it transparent first because we want to make sure that what we show on the outside is equal and consistent and believable all around. So here's another way to draw that, maybe with less instruction here, kind of on a faster frame. And fill that in. And when you're done with that, what you could always do is just go in and erase that transparent part. Kind of needed that in there, didn't I? Get that in there. Now this could be done also at a short frame. So you could easily say, you know what, my box is this wide here. Think of like a soup can maybe. Like one of those personal lunch size soup cans. Or it could be something wider, taller. So you could change that shape, but it's really most important that you start with that eye shape and build from around there. Thanks for watching. Good luck.